Hello everyone and welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to discuss what a Python dictionary and different use cases for the dictionary, such as creating a dictionary, accessing values in it, modifying nested dictionaries and different dictionary methods, removing key value pairs, dictionary comprehension, and different other use cases as well. And let's go in the video and check different examples for those use cases. So firstly, what is a dictionary? So in Python, a dictionary is a versatile and immutable data type used to store key value pairs. And each key must be unique within a dictionary and it maps to a corresponding value. So dictionaries are defined using curly braces like this and consist of key value pairs separated by columns inside like that. So different examples. First thing we want to discuss is how to create a dictionary. So let's create an empty dictionary first. This is an empty dictionary with nothing. If you want to create a dictionary with person details, which it must be key accompanied with the value. So key is the name and the value is the John, name of the person, and it can be age. This is a key, and the value can be 30, and there is a key called gender with accompanied with the value called male. Male. Right, so this is a dictionary which contains key value pairs, and these are the unique keys and there is no duplication. So how do we access the values from the dictionary? Simple. If you want to access a name, person of key, you should be giving key here so that it will return the value. Same with the age, person of what is the key is age. Now I'll print and show you name, so name is that one and age is that one. So this is how you access values from the dictionary, and you can also modify values from the dictionary. How do you do that? If I want to change the value, then the value of the key name, how do I do that? I can simply do it by using an equal to operator like this and like that. So I haven't print. You can see the name is changed to Cybersat Has. This is how you change the values in a dictionary, and you can also use there are different other types of dictionaries as well, such as nested dictionary. So for suppose if you want to store a student information, this is a student dictionary, which curly brackets, student will be having a name and his name may be John. He'll be having age as well, same as a person, it will be age and that's 20. And student may also have grades, right? This is grades is the key and the value is different subjects and grades for the different subjects. He can have maths. In maths he might have only 95, he's a very intelligent student. And in history, he don't like history, so he just got 60. So this is a nested dictionary which contains a dictionary inside a dictionary. So grades, this is a dictionary which contains inside another dictionary. This is student dictionary, right? So this is the next dictionary, and we can also have a lot of dictionary methods we can use. First, suppose I just want to comment this out, or I'll just remove it. So there are different methods. So first, suppose if I want to return only the keys from the dictionary, I can do this. So if you use the person and use a dot here, it will show all the possible functionalities for this particular dictionary. So as we've seen in the previous video of lists, it will also show all the possible functions, inbuilt functions of the list. So here we can see keys. I'll click on that. If you want to know what parameters it accepts, just type comma in that. So it accepts string, or I don't need to give anything as well. So it just uh, returns all the keys for that person dictionary. Keys, right? We can also have a function which returns values, run it. You can see the values there, and you can also list all the key value pairs in a dictionary with items. If I run this, you can see all the dictionaries printed there. So this is how you access this. These are different methods inside the dictionary. And we can also remove key value pairs. How do we do that? You can just use del. What do you want to delete? I want to delete gender from the dictionary. I don't want it. And save it. And I will try to do this person. And you can see there is no gender inside because we've deleted it. You can also pop a value from the dictionary, person dot pop. Sorry, I'll just remove this first. What do you want to pop? I want to pop only age. So it popped and stored in that removed value, and if I access that, you can see the removed value stored there. It just stores the value. So the pop method removes and returns a value for a given key. Now we also have a lot of other dictionary comprehension functionalities. So dictionary comprehension, let's say we have a numbers and we want to square the numbers in a dictionary. How do we do that? So this is dictionary x square for every x in range of 1 to 6. Now what it returns? Save it and run it. You can see for every key it is squaring the number and storing it in the value. So this is some kind of a comprehension. We have looked at the list comprehensions in the previous video as well. So this is one kind of a comprehension here. So dictionary comprehensions is a concise way to create a dictionary as well. So in this example, what we have done, we have created a dictionary with keys as numbers from 1 to 5 and the values as their squares, right? And we can also create dictionaries with different data types as well. So we have done it before with the students example, so we can do that as well. And we can also use and create a dictionary with different key types. How to do that? This is dictionary, one is the key, and I want to store this one, and now I want to have a key as a string, which is 2 and 2. Now I want to have a key as 3, 4, which is a tuple. For tuple, I can just do 3-4. So this is a dictionary with the different data types as well. Dictionary keys can be different types, such as integers, strings, and tuples as well. So we can also handle the missing keys from a dictionary. For suppose, if let's recreate the person example. So we'll just copy paste the student example here. So this is a student with the name, grades, name and grades. So now let's remove the grades from here, and let's say there is a get functionality in the dictionaries. So you want to get grades from a dictionary, but what if you don't have the grades key in the dictionary? You can simply return not there. You can print that. If you want to run that, you can see, because we don't have grades here, it prints for suppose if you want to get name from the student, it will return Alice because the name is already there, the name key is there, so it returns the value. So this is how you handle missing keys in dictionary. So you can also do merging of dictionaries. Merging of dictionaries, how do you do that? Let's create a dummy dictionary, 2 dummy dictionaries. Dictionary 1, I want key as A, 1 key as B, 2 dictionary 2 with B as 3, comma C as a 4, sorry, column 4. Now these are the 2 dictionaries. If I want to merge them, so we can use **. This is a syntax is used to merge dictionaries. What I want to merge, dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. If I print the merged dictionary, now you will see both dictionaries are merged, and it used as, and you can see here the B is common key element in both dictionaries, but it only returned the key and value pair for dictionary 2, because if we do a merge, it combines the key value pairs from dictionary 1 and 2, giving the preference to values from dictionary 2 instead of dictionary 1 in case of conflicts. So these are the various examples we have covered for the dictionaries, and there are a lot more other functionalities as well which I have covered in this video. So these are the few basics. And if you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.